Okay, so we got eight quarter slabs out of this thing, and the first one, flipped from the other side, starts out pretty normal. Then we start to get some cool quarter sawn ray fleck going on here. And it gets better with this guy. Here's some feathering from where the crotch is. And then we go back to this normal looking guy, and then this is where it gets crazy. Unbelievable. Make some amazing shelving or some cool epoxy projects. Pretty cool stuff. Probably won't be the last time I mill a crotch on its side.